Alright, here's a perfect example for a Onerestore or acid. You see that? Those streaks coming down? I think they're from the aluminum flashing that caps the window trim. They're under both windows. But this is the worst of it right here. And I got my Craftsman sprayer hooked to Onerestore full strength. I've wet that first, and I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Come across there. I'll just do that whole thing. It's over here too. Like so. And then I wait just a minute, and then I'm going to brush it. It's already getting lighter. Let me put you on pause here. Alright, it's been 1 minute. I'm going to brush it. Hard to do with one hand. I should have put my GoPro on my hat. Okay. There we go. Looking a lot better. Alright, it's not all the way off. I'm going to put another coat on it and repeat the process. It was really bad right there. Okay, I repeated the process, and you can see that it's virtually gone. I sprayed another coat, and I let it set a minute, and then I brushed it. It was really bad. Alright, so I'm going to rinse as normal. I'd already rinsed this side, so I only have to do this spot rinse. There's that bird up there. I don't know if it's glued on or what, but I don't want to knock it off. I should have took it down. Just getting lazy. Rinse that acid off really good. I'm gonna hit them windows again while I'm here. In case there's anything that's splotched up there, keep it from spotting. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And I normally would have upcharged for that, but I didn't catch it when I walked around, and it's right on the front, on the, you know, above the garage door. So, you know, another 10 minutes, it looks good. So that's about it. Get you some Onerestore and that Craftsman sprayer. This thing's been going for about, I don't know when I made my video, a month and a half. And I mostly spray Onerestore. Now, you know what I do is when I'm done, I take this off, and then I put the excess in here, and then I drop that in a water bucket and rinse it out. And that's about it. I got a video on it, so check it out. Until the next one, take care. Happy washing.